Hey, this is Neha, and I'm here to present you our project, which is Antique E-commerce. And this project is designed by me and my project partner Vipul Goel. And basically, this project is a RESTful API. That means it's a fully backend based project where the user can buy antique products from a range of products. We have the antiques of five different categories, which are watches, furniture, ceramics, sculptures, and jewelry. So let me quickly walk you through the main features of our API. So first of all, as in any e-commerce website, you can search for the product or view product without any registration or logging in. So here goes the same. You can view the product and also apply filtration on that. Like you can filter according to category, rating, and price. And when you send a request from here, then the results of the same filtrations will be shown to you, right? And you can also search products like I have given here a keyword which is antique. You can also give here like watches. So the product related to the keyword watches will be shown to you. As you can see, here are total 10 products which include keyword watches that will be shown to you. And if you want to add the product into your wish list, cart, or order any product, then you need to register first. And for the registration, you need to provide us your name, and name should be at least 4 characters, and you need to provide us an email, which is an verified email, a password which would be 8 characters long, and phone number which would be 10 characters long, and gender should be female, male, and other only. So if you send the request with correct credentials, then an email will be sent to your email address for the confirmation, right? So that for that you need to confirm your email. Then all then only you would be able to log in onto our website. So if I like if I refresh here, I will be getting an email from website. Yeah, as you can see here, here is an email I have got. So I will be clicking on this link, and then my email will be confirmed, as you can see here, and then I can log in. And if you are like if you forgotten your email, you can also also have option of forgot password and other options as well. Let's log in. So for login also, you need to provide your correct name, email, and password to us. Then you will be able to log in. As you can see, I have logged in successfully. And after login, you can add products to your wish list, your cart, and place order. And to add the product into your wish list, you need to provide your product ID. And whenever you provide a product ID, then the product will be added to your wish list. And you can also see that in your wish list that the product will be shown to you also. You can see here. And you can also remove from wish list, but I will not be showing you that right now, because you can also add the same product into the cart also. Like if the product is in your wish list, like this id is in your wish list, then if you add that same product into your cart, then it will be automatically removed from your wish list, right? So I will be adding the same product over here. So if I send the request, then the product will be added to my cart. You can see I can show you over here. The product is now added to my cart. I can see, yeah, right. Two quantities I have added and two quantities are there. And if now I see in my wish list, then the product will not be there. As you can see here, wish list is empty. So and you can remove from the wish list also and empty your wish list also. And you can also, if the product is in your cart, then you can obviously check out that product. And if you click on the checkout and then send a request, then the product which are in your wish in your or I'm so sorry, in your cart will be placed as an order, and you can see them in your orders. As you can as I will be sending a request from here. As you can see, total two products I have placed an order, and these products will be shown to you. And the same, the products which I have purchased, the same email will be sent to my email also. I can see that which products I have ordered. As you can see here, with the product's name, ID, and the product picture, it will be sent to my email. And you can also review any product, right? You can review any product. You can add review for any product. Like this is an ID I have given. I want to add any review for this particular ID. So for that, I need to provide a rating. Like I am giving this rating, and I am adding here a review which is nice. So whenever I add this review will be added, and the next average rating will be predicted predicted according to the this rating also. So you can also see in my reviews also which reviews you have posted. Like as you can see here, you have posted this review which is on nice reviews, right? And you can also get reviews which is reviews about a particular product. For that you need to provide product ID, uh, and then the reviews related to that product will be shown to you. And that's it for now. We have worked on. In future, we are planning to extend this as a front end website also. In future, we will be making it a fully functioning e-commerce website where user can buy products and place orders as well in real time, and payment options as well, and foreign currencies as well. So we will be working on these features. So thank you so much for watching.